is that there? Hey. So here's the girls busy knocking this down before bed. Video. And I wanted to show you the new one. We gotta get that bag up. And they're trying to eat the straw. No, stop away. You have all those greens. Go eat them. Alright, so we took Monarch and Patty and put them with their brother since he was lonely now. I cleaned out their gingerbread house. Alright. So there's the 3 buff girls. I'm worried. I'm going to move them tomorrow, some of them to the front. And I'm like, how am I going to tell them from their mother? They look so much like their mother. They're the same size now. Except Butterfinger and Drumstick. One's redder than the others. And then there's the reds. Which is funny because that's Peachring and that's Red Hot. And Peachring also has white tips on her wings that you don't see. But it's funny because Red Hot has like little black dots on her head and her neck.